everyone, welcome to Digital Futures Education. Today we're going to talk about the top 5 entry-level IT certifications. Entry-level IT certifications come with a couple caveats that are important to understand when you first consider doing them. First of all, it's entry-level. It means it's an opportunity to prove yourself. It doesn't guarantee you a position or a job anywhere. You also want to consider a range of coverage areas and considering networks, IT support, and also cybersecurity and network security. Also consider the time and financial commitment that these certifications take. They're not easy and they're going to take time to study and prepare for. The first certification I'm going to discuss is the A Plus certification from CompTIA. CompTIA is a foundational IT certification. The A Plus is their entry-level certification for IT tech support. The areas covered are device maintenance and troubleshooting, baseline security systems, cloud computing, network troubleshooting, and network technology. There's a cost of $246 per test for the exam voucher, but also really you're going to need to do some preparation for this exam. So really look at all the options for not only buying the full bundle to be able to have the exam software, to be able to prepare for the exam, but the total cost of the vouchers as well included. Also think about what this certification is going to provide you. It's an entry-level certification for IT tech support. It will be potentially a field service technician, a support specialist, a support analyst, or help desk support. The next certification we're going to talk about is the CompTIA Network Plus certification. This is a network-based certification. So this certification is a vendor-neutral certification that covers the skills needed to design, configure, and maintain and troubleshoot networks, wired or wireless. The areas it covers are government or DoD contracts. The Net Plus certification is a must in order to get jobs that have those types of contracts. The Network Plus certification is a requirement for AIT level 1 and 2, and as well as IAM level 1. The exam voucher is $358 per test, but once again, the training options can cost up to $2,300. So be sure to check the CompTIA website, which I'll put a link in the description, to make sure that you're picking the right package to help you best support your completion of this exam. Potential entry-level positions will include network technician and network field technician, field service technicians, help desk technicians, or even system engineers. The next certification is the CompTIA A Security Plus certification. This is CompTIA's Security IT Security certification. This one is recognized globally as a measure of IT security, both cybersecurity, network security, and also proves your competence in the security area, and is also approved live certification for DoD 8570 and also 8140. Some of the areas covered with this certification include security engineering, asset security, software development, security operations, security assessment and testing, communications, network security, identity and access management, as well as security and risk management. The exam voucher for this test is $392 currently, but always double check the price at the CompTIA website. And also, there is additional training options that are going to really help you prepare for this exam, so make sure that you take a look at those. These exams have a lot of content, so make sure that you're looking at the website, finding out what training is available and how it best can support you completing these exams. Now, some of the potential positions with a Security Plus certification include systems administrators, security administrators, junior penetration tester, a network administrator, and cybersecurity analyst. Now, the very first non-CompTIA certification I'm going to talk about here is the Cisco Certified CCNA Associate certification. Now, this is based on network fundamentals. It's based on the knowledges and skills that you will need to understand network fundamentals, IP services, IP connectivity, network access automation, programmability, and security fundamentals. Very popular certification. This prepares you for more advanced certifications like the CCNP and CCIE. Now, the exam, as listed on their website, is currently $300 per exam, but once again, consider the support materials. They have an ebook and a real book option that they bundle together, and they also have these prep book options. So make sure that you look at these options prior to looking into this exam, because you want what's better and best support you for this exam. Now, the potential Entry-level positions for this exam could be a technical support engineer, a systems and technical support engineer, and also a network administrator. The final certification I'm going to cover is the CISSP. This is for IT and cybersecurity. This exam covers security engineering, asset security, software development and security operations, as well as security assessment and testing, communications and network security, identity and access management, and security and risk management. So a certification in an area that involves IT security is in high demand. So this is one that you may want to look at if you're looking to get into more entry-level positions around cybersecurity. And just remember, the cost is $749, and there's also additional cost to help maintain this certification. So make sure you look into that and read all the fine details at their website. And this provides entry-level position opportunities for those who want to be a system security administrator, information assurance analyst, or IT security engineer. Now, those are the top 5 IT certifications. For more information, please visit the Digital Futures Education website, and definitely get involved with getting a certification to help advance your career. Thanks.